has it, the Old Crawford Mill from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2003 remake is no more. If you follow well, this is specifically for the TCM followers, the ones that follow me for TCM updates and whatnot on the locations and whatnot. If you followed my last video, it was on August 22nd, just about 5 weeks ago, and I reported and showed you that the property itself is no longer accessible. It has been gated off, fenced off. Private property signs, no trespassing signs posted everywhere. It has been acquired by someone, I don't know, individual, family, company, I don't know. It's been bought. And the lot is, there's been some structures that have been built right to the left of the cotton gin, which was, the Old Crawford Mill. And so, it's no longer accessible on foot like it was for at least a couple decades since the filming of the film wrapped, which that was in 2002, because it would have released in 2003. So 22 years later, something has finally happened with it. So I heard that it has been torn down in the last 5 weeks since I've seen it. So I am going to see for myself. I don't live very far from the property, and we're going to be approaching it here momentarily. If you're interested, if you're curious, it's in Wahlberg, Texas, and you make a right across from the old country store, and this is the street. We're gonna find out here in just a second. Right here to the left, it's not torn down, so that was a rumor, which is, it's good. I guess that's good news. That's what has been built since, but it's still here. Like I showed you like I mentioned last time, that truck that was right there was taken off, some time ago. The paintings, I call them paintings, murals on the wall. You could see those in the movie. They're still here. I got a car behind me. I'm going to come back around. I'm making this a quick video. I'm not even going to edit this. So bear with me while you experience everything. Turning around, instead of cutting back, we're going to turn around here. So that's good. It's still here, but at the same time, I've had my time with this place, and a lot of people have. Unfortunately, if you haven't, then those days are over. They've come and gone. You're not gonna have any kind of experience on foot with this place anymore. But it's still standing. I don't really see. It wouldn't have crushed me to find out if we rolled up and this was leveled, because I don't know. There's some historical, it's a weird property. I don't even know how far back this thing dates. I've tried looking into it, and I can't find an exact year. But there's some historical significance to it, and sentiment, if you will. But Other than that, I don't really see a point personally for, like, if I was a property owner, to keep it standing. That's where the tractor wheel was. I don't think that's there anymore. I got a car coming. I gotta keep moving. This road is it's busier than you think. I'll come back one more time. Come back around one more time so you guys can see it again. Yeah, the film makes it makes this place look out seem to be out in the middle of nowhere. And maybe at the time this road was not very busy and maybe not even paved, because this is not really a populated it's country area out here in this part of Central Texas. Wahlberg. I'd say, where are we? About 30 miles north of Austin, give or take. All right, so one more time, no cars behind me. I'm gonna go real slow. You guys can get it the best. This is a current view of the Crawford Mill from Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2003. And today is September 25th, 2024. Yeah, see, that is in the movie. All of these markings are, you can see in the movie. This looks like it's new, right there. Somebody tagged that. That was not there last time I was here. Yep, they clearly don't want anybody here trespassing. So, anyway, that's it. There's not really much else I can show you. I definitely can't get on foot anymore. But that is an update for you. I'll keep swinging by the more I hear. You know, if I hear that it actually is torn down, I mean, I'm a stone's throw away. But there you go.